Most people compare YouTube TV and Hulu Live TV the wrong way. They focus only on price. But here's the truth no one tells you. The biggest differences are actually about user experience, sports access, and overall streaming flexibility. And if you pick the wrong one for your viewing habits, you can easily waste hundreds of dollars a year on features you barely use. In this video, I'll break down the 3 biggest differences between YouTube TV and Hulu Live TV in 2026, who each service is best for, and the hidden trade-offs most reviews barely mention. Let's get straight into it. Here's the quick answer. YouTube TV is usually better for people who want a cleaner live TV experience, unlimited DVR, simplicity, and strong sports coverage. Hulu Live TV is often better for viewers who also want bundled streaming content like Disney Plus and ESPN Plus included in one package. But that is only the surface-level answer. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first major difference is the overall streaming bundle. This is huge. Hulu Live TV includes access to Hulu's on-demand library, along with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus in many plans. That creates a massive entertainment ecosystem inside one subscription. A user named Sarah loves this setup because her family watches Marvel movies on Disney Plus, live sports through ESPN Plus, and network TV through Hulu Live, all under one account. Meanwhile, YouTube TV focuses more directly on the live television experience itself. It does not try to become a giant entertainment bundle. Instead, it emphasizes channel access, navigation simplicity, and sports functionality. This is where most people fail. They compare only the monthly price without considering how many separate streaming subscriptions they already pay for outside live TV. If you already subscribe to Disney Plus and Hulu separately, Hulu Live TV may consolidate costs better. But if you barely use Disney content, paying extra for bundled services may not matter much. Now let's move to the second major difference. The live TV interface and DVR experience. This is where YouTube TV often wins for many users. The interface feels cleaner, faster, and easier to navigate for traditional live television watching. Sports switching, channel browsing, and cloud DVR management are generally very smooth. And the unlimited DVR feature is a massive advantage for heavy TV watchers. A guy named Jake records football games, news programs, and late-night shows constantly. With YouTube TV, he rarely worries about storage limits or managing recordings manually. But here's the problem. Some users actually prefer Hulu Live's interface because it blends Live TV with streaming recommendations more aggressively. That creates a more Netflix-style experience. So this becomes a preference issue. Do you want a service that feels closer to traditional cable navigation? Or one that combines live and on-demand streaming into one ecosystem? Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest sports-related difference that changes everything for some viewers. But first, let's talk about pricing because this always matters. Both services regularly adjust pricing structures and add-on packages over time. This is where people get frustrated. They sign up expecting one monthly number, then later realize regional sports fees, premium add-ons, or upgraded plans increase costs further. Always calculate your real monthly total before choosing. That means including taxes, sports packages, premium channels, and extra features. Now here's where it gets really important. The third major difference is sports coverage and sports usability. Both services offer strong sports access overall, but YouTube TV often appeals more directly to hardcore sports viewers because of its interface, multi-view features, and sports-friendly navigation. This matters more than people expect. A sports fan named Alex watches NFL games, NBA coverage, college football, and live highlights constantly. He values fast channel switching and easy DVR access heavily. For him, YouTube TV feels more optimized for live sports consumption. Meanwhile, Hulu Live TV becomes more attractive for mixed households, where some people watch sports and others mainly watch Disney content, Hulu originals, or ESPN Plus programming. This is where most people fail. They choose based on one specific channel instead of thinking about the entire household experience. Now let's talk about local channels because viewers ask about this constantly. Both services offer local channels in many regions, including networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox, depending on your location. But availability can vary. That is why checking zip code availability before subscribing matters a lot. A user named John assumed every local sports game would appear automatically. Then he discovered one regional network was unavailable in his area. That small detail completely changed his viewing experience. Now, here's where it gets interesting. YouTube TV generally feels more focused on replacing traditional cable directly. Hulu Live TV feels more like combining streaming platforms and cable together into one giant entertainment package. Neither approach is automatically better. It depends entirely on how you watch content. Now let's discuss ads because this surprises some people. Even though both are streaming services, live television ads still exist heavily. Some viewers mistakenly expect a completely ad-free experience after leaving cable. That is not how live TV streaming works. Yes, on-demand libraries may offer reduced ads depending on your plan. But live sports and network television still include standard commercial breaks. Now in a minute, I'll give you the easiest way to decide between these two services in under 60 seconds. But first, let's clear up one more myth. Some people think streaming, live TV, automatically saves massive amounts compared to cable. Sometimes yes. Sometimes no. If you stack multiple premium add-ons, sports packages, and subscriptions together, streaming costs can quietly approach cable-level pricing again. That is why intentional subscription management matters so much now. Now, here is the simplest way to choose. Choose YouTube TV if you mainly care about sports, unlimited DVR simplicity, clean live TV navigation, and a more cable replacement style experience. Choose Hulu Live TV if you want the broader Disney+, ESPN+, and Hulu ecosystem bundled together for overall entertainment value. That single distinction solves the decision for most people. Now, let's talk about trial periods because this is one of the smartest strategies viewers ignore. Both platforms frequently offer promotional trials or discounts for new subscribers. Instead of endlessly researching online for weeks, test both services personally if possible. A few days of real usage often reveals more than 10 hours of watching comparison videos. You quickly learn whether you prefer the interface, sports layout, recommendation engine, or channel organization. Now let's wrap this up. YouTube TV and Hulu Live TV are both strong live streaming services in 2026. But the three biggest differences are the entertainment bundle structure, the DVR and interface experience, and the overall sports usability. YouTube TV tends to win for sports-focused live TV viewers. Hulu Live TV tends to win for households wanting broader streaming value through Disney+ and Hulu integration. The best choice depends less on internet debates and more on your actual viewing habits. If this video helped you finally understand the real differences, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the one feature that matters most to you when choosing a live TV streaming service.